Hello, and welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Well, hi, good evening. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and I'm glad to have you here at our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. And always remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. You can find the subscribe button at the bottom right-hand corner or bottom left-hand corner of your screen if you're on a desktop or a computer or a cell phone if you turn your cell phone sideways. Also remember to hit the bell notification so that way you can always keep abreast of all the new content and the new videos that I'm coming out with as they come out too also. As I'm making this video, I'm putting up another video too, in case you guys have not seen it before, and it's for new people coming to the channel, and it's called Welcome. It's called Welcome to How to Get an 800 Credit Score. If you have not watched that video yet, please watch it. It tells you what everything this channel is about, and basically this channel is about helping you improve your credit score too also, and to get approved for mortgage or car or that loan or for your business or credit line for your business that you're looking to start, or just to live a better life. That's my goal, to help as many people as I can to get an 800 credit score. Also, please hit the thumbs up button underneath this video too. Also, it really helps out the channel a lot. And share this video everywhere with your Facebook friends, and also on Snapchat, on LinkedIn, Reddit, and also Instagram, and all of your social media channels. Share this video with all your family and your friends. Be greatly appreciated, and let's help spread the word so that way we can help as many people to get to an 800 credit score as possible and improve lives too also. As you can see, I'm taking you guys to my YouTube channel now, and you're on the home page of the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. And I just want to show you guys at the top here of the channel is a picture of a lady running to the finish line, and the finish line is the 800 credit score. That's where we all trying to get. Right here, if you follow the cursor of my mouse, you will see a Facebook link here that says to join our Facebook group. I ask that everyone please join the Facebook group. That way you guys can post and share your credit building experiences with other members of the group, so that way they can learn from you. We can also help you build and increase your credit score, and we can all work together as a team also. So please join the Facebook group, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Just click on this link here where my mouse is, and also this Facebook icon right here is to like our Facebook page. And to like our Facebook page is great for if you're someone like me who's on Facebook every day, posting and sharing content on Facebook, or just posting, about my day or whatever the case may be, or posting my story on Facebook or on my timeline. Definitely like our Facebook page, so that way you can be notified in your news feed every time we come out with new videos, okay? And I do post the new videos on the Facebook page also. This link here is the subscribe button. Just click that link right there and go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so already. There's plenty of places to subscribe. You can subscribe here at this button. You can subscribe at this button here underneath the lady that's running, or you can subscribe right here in the bottom left corner of the screen that I talked about earlier, where it says subscribe here, a small red box there in the bottom left hand corner. And let's see, also right here, this Facebook icon, you can follow me on Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot and you prefer to talk on Facebook, you can message me there on Facebook by following me. Just click on this link. It will take you to my profile. and when you try to add me as a friend, it might not add you because I always jump between 5,000 friends and like maybe 4,960 or somewhere between there and 5,000. So if I'm at 5,000, when you hit the add friend button and it doesn't add you, don't worry, you can follow me. Go ahead, click to follow me, and that way you can still see all the content and the videos that I put on my Facebook timeline too also. And also right here, this link right here, you can click on this link and it'll take you to my Twitter profile. And when you get to my Twitter profile, just click to follow me, and you will also be able to get my content there too also, because I put my videos in Twitter also. So I've made it easier for you guys to get the videos that I'm putting out here every week, and I'm putting out more and more videos every week. So I think last week I put out like 3 or 4 videos. This week I don't know how many videos I'm going to put out, but today alone I put out 2. So that could pretty much, give you guys an idea there too also. So just remember, those are ways that you can definitely keep abreast of all the new content too also. And just keep in mind that when you subscribe and hit the bell notification, you do learn more every day, every week, as I share my credit boosting techniques too also. And at the end of this video also, you'll see some links where you can click on. It'll pop up boxes, on, before the video's ended, where you can watch other videos too also. And this picture here of me, it will pop up too at the end, and you can also click on that link to subscribe to also. So thank you again for watching, and then I want to say, as you see here on my mouse, we have now 289 subscribers. I want to say thank you to my 289 subscribers. I think I just made a video last week about us reaching our goal of 100 subscribers too. And I want to thank you guys. Because of you, we've made it this far. And please continue sharing my videos everywhere with your friends and all of your family too as well. Now today I want to talk on a topic of boost your credit score fast, credit building tool. And this is a great way to control your credit score. Actually, when you're driving a car, whether you're going the speed limit or whether you're going 10 or 20 miles above the speed limit. With 20 miles above the speed limit, I do not recommend, because it's not safe, first of all. But for you guys who like to, speed, definitely one thing that is important is control. You want to keep control of that vehicle, no matter what speed you're going. And, for those of you who like to drive slow, under the speed limit, the same thing applies. You want to keep control too also. Well, what we teaching here today is, one way of controlling your credit score too also. I'm going to show you this amazing credit boosting tool here today. Please watch the entire video so that way you don't miss a thing, okay? Now, first place we're going to go here, we're going to go to Google, okay? And I already did the search. We're searching for credit score simulator from Credit Karma, okay? Let's go ahead and click on that real quick. And that's going to take you to Credit Karma, Credit Karma's website, and the Credit Score Simulator. Now, this is a tool right here. And, basically this is a great tool here that will help you to understand what you can do in little tweaks, where you can tweak your credit score. You can control your credit score. You can know what to do to make your credit score go up. You can know what not to do that will make your credit score go down. So for all of us here that are trying to achieve the goal of getting an 800 credit score, that's what we want to do. Okay. So let me show you how it works. Okay. Let me go ahead and click on this button here where it says get a new loan. All right. What might happen if I get a new loan? Okay. And then this is a sample score at the top, 680 score. Let's go ahead and click on personal loan. Okay, now it says how much do you want? So let's just say, you know, we get a loan for, let's say, $1,000. Okay, let's just put $1,000 in the box, see what happens. Okay, I cannot click on the box, so it's telling me that I need to credit score simulator only works if you are signed into your Credit Karma account. Log in or sign up. Okay, so I gotta log in. Okay, I have to log in to show you guys, you know, how this thing works. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in so that way I can show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna log in real quick. I'm logging in. It should take a second. Okay. So today my credit score with Credit Karma is 715. It says good. Okay. So it was 720. As you could, you know, it was 720 as you see in one of my previous videos that I made. Is called from 548 to 720 credit score. That's another video you guys definitely want to check out. So in case you're curious, you want to know how I got a credit score in the 700s, you really need to watch that video, and please watch the entire video from beginning to end, so that way you can see what I did. You don't have to do all the steps that I took, but you know, there are steps that you do need to take to get there, and I can definitely help you with that. You could definitely reach out to me, and I will definitely, you know, go over that with you too also. I think in the About section, let's go back to the channel, YouTube channel here. Let's click on the About section real quick at the top. Okay, so in the description here, there's a link here to subscribe. Okay, and here's my Facebook profile. Okay, that's another link to get you follow me. You can follow me on Facebook there. Okay, now these are links here that I put here in the About section here, right here in this About section at the top. Okay, and this link, you could join the Facebook group, subscribe to this channel, follow me on Twitter, like our Facebook page, follow me on Facebook. This link right here, this is where you can email me. Okay, so all of you guys, if you have any questions about credit, or need credit repair, or you need credit boosting, or you need to increase your credit score, you know, just give me an email. You know, if you need to talk on the phone or something, I will definitely give you my number. We can talk on the phone, and I can definitely help you guys increase your credit score. I don't charge anything. It's free. Everything is free. You know, as far as the credit building and the credit repair that I offer you, okay? Because I'm doing this out of the kindness of my heart to help you guys, and at the same time, I'm also, you know, helping myself too by helping others too also. So back to the credit score simulator, okay? Now let's go back to what we tried to click on here. What might happen if I, okay, get a new loan? Let's click on that. So if I get a new personal loan, okay, let's click on personal loan, okay? How much do you want is saying. So say if I got $1,000 loan, let's put $1,000 in the box, click submit. Okay, and this is what's going to happen, guys. Okay, so because it's saying getting a new personal loan may cause your score to drop temporarily because it adds a hard inquiry and lowers your average age of credit history. So that's the reason why. Okay, credit history is very important all right, and building up your credit score and getting to that 800 credit score, which we're trying to get to. So it counts as a new account, it's a new loan, and it also, as a hard inquiry. So hard inquiries, the way the credit bureaus grade hard inquiries is they take away between 1 point and 5 points off of your credit score. So for each hard inquiry that you get. So if you apply for 5 different things in the same day, guys, now you can potentially lose between 5 points on your credit score and 25 points on your credit score. And 25 points is the worst case scenario. But I mean, hey, you better hope the credit bureau is having a good day that day, because you might end up losing that whole 25 points off your credit score, guys. So you want to keep focus on this here. And once you've gotten all the trade lines and credit cards and charge cards, and installment loans and everything, you got your credit mixed together and structured the way it needs to be, you do not want to apply for credit for at least a year. Okay, guys? So if you have any questions about that, just go ahead and email me, and I will help you with that, or take you through the steps, help you guys increase your credit score from there. Okay, so this is the impact that it can make. Okay, let's try another new personal loan here. Let's say if I say it was a big personal loan, okay, that I took out. So it was let's say $10,000. Oh, let's say $11,000. Okay. That's pretty good sized loan for personal loan. Click submit, and let's see what it says now. Okay, now you can lose 18 points. Okay, so it's showing here that if I did this, okay, my score will go from 715 all the way down to 697. So I will go from good credit to fair credit. Okay, so that's not a good thing, guys. So you definitely do not want to open up a new personal loan once your credit is structured the way that it needs to be. In other words, for example, is when you have that foundation of trade lines, credit cards, charge cards, and installment loans already set up on your credit profile, you do not want to apply for any new loans. Let's see how it applies to auto loans here. Now, auto loans, let's see what amount. Let's see, a nice car. Let's see, an average car, I would say. A new average car would be about, let's say, $25,000, okay? I think that would be a car that I would like anyway, for a new car. Not in the really high end, but then again, not really on the low end either. Okay, so this is bad, guy. Look at this. 21 points that I could lose. So remember with the other example with the $11,000 personal loan where I lost all those points and went down to 697? Well, here it says I went down to 694. Ouch, guys, that really hurts. Okay, so that's something you definitely don't want to do either. New auto loan. What about new home loan? Let's see what a new home loan. Wow, new home loans, let's see, that would be bigger. That would be huge. Let's see, that would be, let's say a $200,000 loan, okay? That would be a nice, decent sized house, okay? If I applied for a new loan right now, so I would lose 42 points, okay? Now, the thing about applying for home loans or applying for a house or things like that there, once your credit profile is structured the way it needs to be, like I said, you want to wait some time. See that credit score increasing and keep going up and going up and going up. And once you get into maybe close to the 800 ranges, or just to be safe, once you get in the 800 range, the 800 to 850 range, I believe that's the time when you want to start applying for a home loan. Okay, because when you do get a decrease in points, I'm not saying this may not happen if you have a score over 800 though. You may not lose 42 points. I'm not sure, but that's the time when you do want to apply for a home loan when you're over 800 or close to 800, okay? Because when you lose a few points, it's not going to hurt you that bad, and you will still be in the excellent credit range, okay? Because excellent credit is 750 credit score and above, okay? So now we have a home loan. We did the home loan, we did the personal, the auto loan. Let's do something else here. Okay, say if I open up a new credit card, all right? Let's put in a dollar amount with a credit limit of, let's give a big credit limit here. Let's say 10,000. Okay, new credit card. Just got approved for a new credit card. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 points for that. Okay, so that's a good thing. You know, if I opened up a new credit card for $10,000, I'm gonna get a 2-point boost to my credit score. Okay, now let's try smaller amount. Let's try $5,000. Okay, because guys, the reason why I said $5,000 is because I applied for a DSX design account. And if you're curious to know what DSX design is, just see my video from 548 to 720 credit score part 3. Okay, this is where I show you on screen live how I got from 548 to 720, and there's a section in there that if you watch the whole video, you'll see where it talks about DSX design. Okay, all right, now let's see what happens. So I guess I'm gonna lose 1 point for that. Okay, I'll lose 1 point, but the thing is, I'm not too worried about the 1 point because keeping that trade line on my credit profile as long, you know, as the months go on. Now you got to keep in mind the average age of credit history keeps going up and up and up, you know, and also with $5,000, which with that trade line with DSX design, I could order like a $15 t-shirt and it would still count, you know, to my trade line. So I can still keep my trade line, in other words. So you know, as the months go on with that trade line on there, it's gonna keep boosting my credit score up and up and up and up, you know. And that company too, they also give a credit line increase, because after 3 months I can go up to $12,000 credit limit, and that would lower my credit utilization rate, and that would boost my credit score up even further. So okay, so we seem to lose 1 point there. Okay, now what if I closed my oldest card? Okay, my oldest is an authorized user from U.S. Bank, 9 months old, and I got that from a friend of mine. He offers authorized users, you know, for a fee. He'll add you to his credit card as an authorized user, and he has credit cards from, you know, a $1,000 limit all the way up to a $6,000 limit. And his credit cards, some of them are 9 months old, 8 months old, 6 months old. The newest one is 1 month old with $6,000 on it. But it can definitely boost your credit score. If you want any information about that, guys, just hit me up. I'll refer you to him, and, you know, he'll hook you guys up. You know, he's kind of running out of slots because a lot of people are asking, you know, about it too. So I think for as little as like $30 a month, you can get added onto like a $5,000 or $6,000 trade line or credit card. You know what I mean? With like American Express, U.S. Bank, Bank of America, or Citibank, you know, Discover. You know, so that could help you establish relationships with those banks too also. And it will definitely boost your credit score up a lot. My friend, it helped her boost her credit score up 143 points, by the way. So let's submit this. Let's get back to the topic here. What might happen if I close my oldest card? Let's look here at a U.S. Bank with 9 months old. Let's submit that. And guys, you want to make sure you watch the whole video, so that way you won't miss out on the good stuff that I have that is coming up here in the end of the video. You'll see links to other great videos and more credit increase secrets. Okay, so make sure you watch the whole video. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it says it could go up 4 points, but it seems like there's been an error here. So let's try something else. Okay. Transfer balances to a new card. See what happens there. Okay, transfer. Let's see, how much would you want to transfer? Let's say I transfer 500. No, I don't have any balances for $500. Let's see. Let's say I transfer a balance of $44, because I think I have a $44 balance on my First Premier credit card. Okay, let's transfer that $44 to a new card. See, ooh-wee, my credit score will go down, okay? So that's not good, guys, you know, because it'll add a new card and a new hard inquiry, and it lowers the average age of credit history, okay? But this is something, as it says here, you may decide, however, that the money you could save on interest outweighs the potential drop in your credit score. So this is something like maybe a last resort, I would say. There's something you definitely do not want to do unless you absolutely have to. You have no choice, okay? If you cannot pay the interest, okay, because when you carry a balance from month to month, you're going to pay an interest, okay? So this is something you do not want to do, okay? All right, so let's see what we got left here. Okay, so we got a lot of options here, okay? Have a credit application denied, get a credit limit increase. Okay, let's click on this one, get a credit limit increase. Let's say I increase one of my credit cards here by $1,200, okay? Say I got to approve for a credit limit increase for $1,200. That would add 2 points, okay? So if you're like me and you're using your secured credit cards like a debit card, you know, I could just take $1,200 and add the money on to my secured credit card, okay? And then it would definitely be boosting my credit score by 2 points, okay? Now, it's not costing me anything to do this because I'm just taking the money out of my bank account and transferring it over to my secured credit card, okay? And I'm going to use a secured credit card just like I use a debit card, so that way I don't pay any interest. So it's not costing me anything, not a dime, for me to do this, okay? And it's also boosting my credit score up by 2 points. So there you go, guys. I just gave you another extra credit increase secret there. So that's why you want to watch the whole video when you watch the videos, because you miss out on a lot of valuable information, okay? Now, let's see what we have here. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I was saying before. If you can get a higher credit limit and keep your balances stable, you'd be using a lower percentage of your available credit. So that's only if you keep your balances the same as they were the previous month, or if I keep my balances the same as, you know, this month, now that I have the 715 credit score, okay? So let's see what we got here. Okay, increase or decrease my balances. All right. What happened if I increase or decrease my balances? Okay, here's the current balance. Okay, my total balance is 258. My total credit limit is $34,350. Okay, that's on all my credit cards, trade lines, installment loans, charge cards, everything combined, okay? So now let's see. If that balance went down to, let's see, $100. Let's see what would happen. Now my credit score would jump 3 points, okay? Let's see what happens if I took the balance down to $50. Okay. Now, I would get no increase in that, okay? Let's see, $0 balance. That means everything's paid off, okay? I would get an increase of 4 points. So I think that's the most right there, the highest increase that I can possibly get, okay? Which pretty much proves what I and a lot of people on YouTube have been saying, to keep your credit card utilization between 1 and 7% if you want to get the highest credit score increase that's possible, that they can possibly give you, okay? All right, so there you have it, guys. And this is for bad habits. As you know, this can make your credit score go down. If you let your accounts go past due, you make late payments, okay? And I gave you guys a credit increase secret in one of my last videos. And I think the video is entitled, let's see, what video is that one? That is, well, let's just go back to the YouTube channel here, and let's see. I'll show you guys. Let's see my videos. All right, here's the home page. Let's go to the home page first. Okay, and you can see here, home page. Okay. I'm putting up a new video here, okay? This is for new people, new visitors to the channel, people who have not subscribed yet, okay? I'll be replacing this video, so you'll see another video on there tonight, okay? And let's see, where's that video at? Okay, here it is, new credit score increase secret. Okay, this is when I went live. I went live yesterday, and I made a video for 1 hour and 37 minutes, okay? So this is where that video is, new credit score increase secret. Okay, I gave out a huge credit score increase technique here. And if you use this and you use it effectively, like I tell you to in the video, you will get a huge credit score increase, huge boost, definitely. So that video, you want to check it out. I talked about that in that video, okay? That's how you can avoid this here. And also, instead of, you know, getting hit with this, you could see a credit score boost instead. See your score go up. Now, if you go into foreclosure, it's bad, okay? Of course, your score is going to go down by a lot of points. If you have your wages garnished, the same, it's going to have the same effect. If you have an account sent to collections, it's going to have that same effect too also. So for the have an account sent to collections, guys, you can definitely email me, you know. Go to that about page section, you know, on the YouTube channel here, and you can definitely see, here you go, right here, the link's right here. Right here, you can email me in the bottom of the about section. Just click this link. You'll be able to email me and shoot me an email. I'll definitely answer all of my emails. So we can definitely talk about your credit repair, and you know, if you have collections on your credit report, we can talk about that, and I can help you guys to try to get those deleted off your credit report, so that way you can get your credit score increase. And also, that service is free of charge. I don't charge anything for that too also. So again, well, that ends the topic today that I wanted to talk about today. You know, today's topic was boost your credit score fast, control your credit score, which is important. And you want to control your credit score, guys. If you have control, it'll make you feel better as a person. And you know, you'll feel better when you're talking to other people about this too, about your credit building experience too, because you'll have more control over your credit score, which means you'll have more control over your life. So I want to tell you guys thank you so much, you know, for watching this video too also. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. You can hit the button in the bottom left corner of this video. It says subscribe here. It's a red square box, or you can subscribe under the video, and you can definitely, there's a subscribe button there. And or, you know, and when you subscribe, definitely hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on my videos. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button at the bottom of the video, and it helps the channel out a lot. Please do. And leave a comment in the comment section. Answer any questions that you have. If you need help with, you know, credit building and credit repair, you need help with credit boosting, increase your credit score, all of these things, just go ahead, leave me a comment, and we'll hook up. We'll talk about it, and we'll get your credit score increased, okay? And remember, it won't cost you a thing. It's all free. Also remember to hit the share button too. Also, there is a share button. Let me see if I could show you guys the share button really quick, making this real easy for you guys here. Okay, so here's a video, here's the like button, here's a share button. Okay, so you could also save the video. You know, you can add it to a playlist of yours if you like. So there's a lot of things you could do there. Here's a subscribe box that I was telling you guys about in the bottom left corner of the video, where you can subscribe very easily. Okay, so just want to wrap up this video real quick and say once again, thank you again to all of my subscribers. We have over 200 subscribers now. And I want to thank you guys so much, you know, for subscribing to my YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. And remember, we might have trouble by ourselves, but together, we can get through this. We can get an 800 credit score. We can accomplish things, okay? So just, you know, keep the love going. Share this video with all your friends and family. And keep safe out there tonight. And have a great night. And thank you so much for watching. And remember to hit, you know, click the link at the end of the video to see another video. And thank you so much again. And you guys have a great night. Bye-bye. See you next time.